Hi, I'm Christian from Petzl. I'm here to teach you how to use the BINDI headlamp, which is Petzl's most compact, rechargeable headlamp. The BINDI has two different lighting modes, a white light and a red light mode. In white light, there is 3 brightness settings. There is a 6 lumen, 100 lumen, and 200 lumen mode. To switch to the red light mode, simply turn the lamp on and give the button a long press. This will switch into the red light setting. Red light mode also has an emergency red strobe. To switch back into white lighting mode, simply give the lamp another long press. There are multiple ways to lock the BINDI to prevent it from accidentally turning on. Hold down the power button for 4 seconds. The light will cycle through white and red and then blink 3 times red. This indicates that the lock is set. If you push the button, it will blink at you 3 times with the red light. To unlock the BINDI, hold down the power button for 4 seconds and the lamp will turn on again. A second way to unlock the BINDI is to push the power button 4 times quickly. This will turn the BINDI on again. The BINDI also features an analog lock. Spin the lamp body within the housing until the power button lines up with the lock icon. To put the BINDI on, simply take the headlamp and pull from the front towards the back, and then push the cord lock towards the back of your head until you've reached the desired amount of tension. The headlamp body has a center-mounted pivot, which allows you to not only point it down, but point the lamp up. The BINDI has a really cool power indicator, which you'll see when you first turn the headlamp on and also when you turn the headlamp off. Now, when you're at full power, you're going to have a green light. When you get down to 66% of your power, it's going to turn orange. And then when you're in a 33% of your power, the light will turn red. To recharge the BINDI, simply take the micro USB cord that's included and locate the port that's right on the underside of the headlamp. When you start charging, the headlamp will be red, and when you've completed charging, that LED will turn green. The BINDI is a very lightweight, excellent companion for any kind of everyday activity like running or hiking or walking the dog. At only 35 grams, just over an ounce, it easily fits in any pocket and is ready for any kind of adventure.